Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are here for the first time, my name is Pooba. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this beautiful full cut crease eye look using Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. Before moving on to the full video, I would humbly request you all to please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So that's the finished tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified first. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.